The reason. Hey guys, we're getting ready for a photo shoot. I'm having a photo shoot done in the house, very impromptu, for my husband's birthday that is coming up in 4-5 days. Very excited, by the way. So I had to convince him for us to do a photo shoot. I'm a multi-creative, so photography is one of the skills I have. I haven't done my intro, so welcome to my channel. My name is Mona. You can call me Nick Mona. The follow button, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and drop a comment down after you watch this video. I want to show you guys behind the scene. I had to get my intern because I do training as well for my brand Nick Mona Studios. You can follow us at NK Shirted. I'm going to insert my photography handle up here, and he's really good. So if you want to take the pictures, go ahead and start off with my makeup. So yeah, the last time I attempted to have a photo shoot with my children, it didn't go well. Let me just be brutally honest. It did not go well. All the pictures I took, I didn't like them. I didn't post them. I didn't use them. This time, I'm going to give my children the benefit of the doubt. Let me just believe that they're matured now. They can make me not lose my shit, because the last one was very crazy. I'm very bad, very bad when it comes to styling my own hair. Let me know in the comment section if you like to style your hair by yourself. This is heat protector. Going with my serum, wax stick. I think we can work with it. We should be able to work with this, right? Shadow glue. I'm touching it. It's on. No, I'm touching it. I have mine. Today is going to be a crazy blessed day. This is 11:31. This is with 2. I already put like some glue here and there. I have a big head, right? Coil this week. This week I might coil it. So yeah, I think I'm done with that. So let's just go ahead and start the makeup. Like a proper primer. One is from, I don't know, Pond. If you want a separate video for my makeup routine, let me know in the comments. Of course, baby girl will do it for you. I don't have a choice. Sorry for the background noise. Today is Saturday, so my people are very much in the house. This is like full mom mode while trying to maintain steeze. So if you're a mom watching me, let me know how you've been able to successfully take in your children's pictures without losing your mind. Is it just me? I am not a fan of pictures. Maybe it's their age. I don't know if it's their age, or maybe they would go to like taking pictures. I hope this makeup comes out nice, because I truly don't like doing my makeup when I'm in a hurry. You see this Davido song, this that's where he said, "If you see my baby, you can shut up to Arabanco." That not left my brain. Since the moment I heard that, this is stop. See my baby, you go shut up for Arabanco. Yay! Let me know if you like the song. I love the song really. So I would choose, I don't know what I was saying, but then I had to end it. My battery died. But one thing I did behind was fix my lashes. I have this extension done. See, so I had to fill it up. And this is the lash plate I'm using, and this is the glue. So I'll just take one, very easy. If you want me to do a video on how I fix my lashes, let me know. Okay. I'm done with my makeup. Almost done. My liner. This is my light hair with the deep. Yeah. Shade of liner. But just to make it good, like so. You see the difference? Yeah. This is better. I don't want to do too much when I'm editing, because I'll be the one to edit there, so I don't want to do too much. These days, the word you always find me saying is, I don't want to do too much. But I'm doing too much. Go ahead and shoot. The reason. So we're done with the first one. It was very hectic, and you can see I'm sweating. It's far better than the one we had so far. The family had like 2 photo shoots. Those 2 was hell. Like I've not been able to get good pictures. I'm hoping it's maybe different. I'm exhausted already. I sound like I'm having a worst moment, but the truth is, I'm grateful to God and I'm happy for this moment. But I don't take it for granted. I want to just do a bit of touch up so we can continue. I'm going to take off this hair. She has done the most part of the shoot. I'm going to just use 2 wigs. I'll change my mind. I touch my blush a bit. So just be stopped. This is for me and my kids for Mother's Day. By the way, I'm vlogging with my husband is almost done with the second look. So that's like his final look. Just happy I have assistance today because I'm married. So this is another issues. I'm just going to say like this, and I hope. Stand up. Round start. The wheels on the bus. Say hi. Finally done. Today was a lot. I'm going to dive into how I feel right now. Just grateful that I have at least 1 or 2 pictures that make sense. My children's picture came out nice. The tantrums was predictable, like it was predicted. Everybody's just cranky. I've been able to clear out some things. I need like making sure I copy out the files. I need a few pictures for tomorrow because tomorrow is like Mother's Day, not the official one, but something. So I want to just, that's the whole purpose of me filming, right? So, or taking pictures. This is my younger sister. Say hi. I'll try to wipe my face off. Go ahead and start editing. I am going to church tomorrow. I haven't plotted out what we're gonna wear, but I'll figure it out. And I have some new outfits, but I haven't had the time to launch it. If you know you have not subscribed yet, do well to hit the subscribe button. Channel, I sprinkle a bit of my lifestyle, a bit of skincare tips, beauty tips, skincare reviews. If you know you have not subscribed yet, do well to hit the subscribe button and be a part of my community. No jokes, I want you as part of my community, so please, I'm begging you, hit the follow button, hit the subscribe button, and let's enjoy this ride together. I'll catch you guys in the next one. For now,